Today I have Robin Williams' voice in my head doing good morning coffee lovers. I'm going to replace it with coffee lovers. So here's a version of Acoustic Alchemy. It's very down to earth. It's acoustical because of the person that's filming it, being in tune with her surroundings, and an intention of creating a magnificent cup of coffee, because the roaming gnome and all of our other cohorts are all coffee snobs. I mean snobs. So I love to promote really good products and people, clean products. No hype, no artificial fillers, no manufactured genomes, no GMOs, and I want it to taste really amazing. And I don't compromise on that. So I've got to work on where I've got the camera going, because those of you on social media land that have the attention span of gnats, you know who you are. You're going to be bored, but I tell you what, when you get a few more kilometers on your feet or miles on your feet, you're going to notice that your body wants to resource your energy and life force in a new way. So why not get ahead of the curve? Otherwise you end up with curves in unusual places. Right, pun intended. So I'm going to run you through it quickly. That was my attempt to be slow and methodical. Now we're going to bring mercurial me out, and I'm going to basically say I've got a French press. That French press I bought in Mexico. It's traveled with me since 2019. It's made of glass. Easy to clean, easy to pack, easy to store. The coffee, I like to buy local coffee. So this coffee is basically coming from a company in North Carolina that I believe is called Dynamite. No, it's not called Dynamite. That's a brand of coffee. Maybe it is called Dynamite. Hang on, Magoo took over. We'll have to come back to that. Now, to the left of that is something that I add. I bought maca infused cacao nibs. They're not hallucinatory. I will speak to what it is. And no, I don't do a ritual. Cacao is an amazing antioxidant. Amazing. It also gives a little oomph. It's a clean source of a really deep chocolate taste. Lard is a great company. I lived on Kauai, and Lance lived there and developed this beautiful superfood company that is a superfood creamer that you can take on the road. The next thing is hemp milk, and that's vanilla. I choose hemp because it's creamy. It's easiest for my body to digest. Everyone's got a different palate, so you've got to check in on your own body. Some of you will find that oat milk or coconut, there's no right wrong here, so just check in. And Pacific Foods is a good source. You can buy it, at a store. You could buy it by the case. Now, this beautiful product here I'm going to feature. It's called Alchemy. Alchemy, Alcame. It is French from Canada. It is beautiful. It has the purest ingredients of a supplement that's easy to use, easy to take with you. And I will put the ingredients and the place to buy it. You do have to arrange a shipping with Canadian Post if you want to track it. And then over here I've got coconut sugar. And that's probably, for me, it's the best version of sugar because I have a huge affinity with coconuts. They're very calming and soothing. And again, check in on your sugar. Check in on what you sense is best for you. And then last but not least, the magic wand. Here's the magic wand. The magic wand looks like that. Runs on batteries. Sorry. There. I think it's 2 AAA. It spins things. It creates bubbles, which is entertaining for me. But it's also that I don't like lumpy stuff. So it all ends up here. So here, I want you to see, it says the future is ours. In the morning, the future's mine, and you don't mess with me before I've had at least my 1 cuppa. Right, so those are the cacao nibs at the bottom. They're not coffee grounds. So I've got one more swallow. And then I have to head out to the rest of my day, which I call adulting. All right, almost to 6 minutes. Gotta go.